Hi, this is Susan Young, creator of Career Clarity Roadmap, a group coaching program where you'll gain an in-depth awareness of who you are and what lights you up in 4 overall areas of your career. Let me ask you, are you stuck in a career that sucks the life out of you or in a job that's just not satisfying? Do you ever wish you were working in a career that you're passionate about? All you need is clarity to move forward. In this video, I'm going to share a case study so you can learn how to align who you are with what you do. Joy is a landscape architect, and this is her story. As a child, Joy was always outside, building gardens, but she had it in her mind that she was going to be an engineer. It was difficult, primarily because she liked math and science, but there was no creative outlet. She would find herself coming home, painting, crafting, gardening, to allow that creative energy to flow. She left engineering school and went into interior design. And there she found her love for design and how to use it to create spaces where people feel comfortable. But she did not want to be limited by walls and ceilings. A friend introduced her to a landscape architect. She knew she found what she was looking for, as it used her technical ability, her love for design, helping people, and put it into one career. She was passionate about being able to influence people, neighborhoods, and communities. But with her outgoing personality and enjoying interacting and collaborating with other people, but working for others, she found it was all about billable hours and working on projects like designing parking lots that she was not passionate about. So Joy ended up starting her own firm so she would have control over the projects she worked on that were meaningful to her. And she enjoyed working on schools and public parks where she could influence people being outside in an atmosphere where they got to enjoy their environment. That is why her career is rewarding. She has an influence on how people interact in the world. So when you look at a career, you have to understand your personality and your natural abilities. Joy was a very creative person, so she needed an outlet for that creativity. And she was also very outgoing, so she needed to be able to collaborate and work with other people on her projects, and she didn't find that working for others, so she ended up starting her own firm. And then it's looking at, okay, what type of contribution do you want to make? What's the transformation? Well, Joy enjoyed transforming the way people interacted outside and being able to just look at property and be able to transform it where people could really enjoy being outside. And then looking at the satisfaction. Well, for Joy, again, she loved her favorite memories as a child were being outside, being in gardens. So is it any wonder she ended up choosing a career where she got to help people enjoy what she did? And that's how you choose a career. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot about yourself. Remember, everyone needs to become aware of what you are doing and how you are feeling. When you align what lights you up in all areas, you will have found a career you love. It's not one thing, it's how they work together. That's what you'll learn in Career Clarity Roadmap. Ready to find what lights you up? Click the link in the description to learn more.